Hi guys, let me show you the assembly of the Triptex ergonomic chair. So let's see what we get and how easy it is to assemble. So I've checked all the parts, everything is here, everything has arrived in good condition. So cool is also how they packaged everything. And we get also an instruction manual with the instructions for the assembly. Describes everything nicely in detail, all the parts, really easy. And so we start with the base, so we have to use the base joint and then screw together the base legs. So there is some protection which we can remove and then we slide the legs over it. So I think it's a good idea when we flip the whole thing upside down. Of course now we need the screws and the tool. It's important to know that the number 11 screws are not part of this set here, they are in a separate package. And it comes also with the dedicated Allen wrench. But you can also use your electric screwdriver. By the way, it's an H5 bit which is needed. Just make sure that you're using the lowest torque setting. So it works really good. Now let's add the wheels. Needs a little bit of pressure to push in, but it's definitely not impossible. Just push it down. Don't use a hammer, just keep pushing. Okay, so that was it, I would say. We can turn it around. Add this protection here again. Looks really nice. Now we need this cylinder. Goes like that into the base. And now we are attaching the armrest, which is probably the most difficult thing when you are alone. So it would be great to have some assistance from a person, but you can easily do it yourself. Here's the front, it's nicely described here. And here's also the front, you can see that's the front here. What we need here is these washers and these screws. And now let's lift up the seat here a little bit. So we can easily hold it with one hand here. And then we align the holes here, it's easy to see. We put in a washer and a screw and secure it down here. Okay, first one we have already. It's always highly recommended when we have multiple screws to not fully secure it from the beginning. Just add all three of them loosely and then tighten all of them. Okay, first one is finished. And now let's do the second one in the same way. Okay, let's tighten the screws here as well. Okay, now we have the two armrests and now we need to attach the tilt control to the seat. By the way, this is the front. Here we have also the front, so we have to align it like that. We see already the screws underneath. The screws for that are the long ones here, number 14. And so we secure these 4 screws loosely to find the thread. Now I think I have them here. Okay, also nicely secured here. If there is a problem with one of the screws, we get also this spare set here, which you can use. Then we tilt the seat to the side to attach the backrest, so we can just slide it in here from the top and secure it with the screws number 15, 16 and 17. And now we have to place this part here on top of the gas cylinder. And to secure the headrest, we have to push this part here fully down and then secure it from underneath with the 2 number 18 screws. Hang it on top with this hook here and push it to the inside where the screws are and then secure the screws from underneath. Okay, and that was already it. And so I'm here, everything is assembled, everything has been working really good and the chair works really good. You can see the reels are nicely moving, it's really wide base, so it's very solid, doesn't flip no matter what crazy moves you are making in the office. And it's height adjustable from pretty high to very low, so you can secure it in every position you need. Also the backrest is adjustable, as you can see, you can tilt it down so you can sleep nicely. and go back to Word, but you can also secure it like that, as you can see, so it stays like that. We have 3 different positions. That's the medium position, and we have even a straight position where we can lock it in, and comes also with this nice lower back support. It's not a hard plastic support, it's a soft fabrics support, so it's much more comfortable on your back. And also the armrests are really nice. I would say they are in a perfect position. Of course, they don't have any cushion, but they help a lot. If you don't need them, you can remove them because they are not needed. That's also a big plus. Cushion is very soft, very comfortable. So I would say everything is exactly how we need it for the office or at home, so I can give you full recommendation, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.